So I'm just gonna say this, if you guys see this jacket in my previous video, I filmed the same video. Well, I didn't film the same video. I filmed the video the same day, so don't come after me. Today's video is going to be, well, first and foremost, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Affy Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my page, don't forget, do not forget, okay? Do not forget, huh? Don't forget. Like the subscribe button. Also, make sure that you press the notification bell just to be notified every time I post a video. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I style my braids. If you see my previous video, I did a tutorial on these beautiful crochets that was sent to me by a company called Freetress. I will leave the link down below so you can see how it got down. Okay, it really did get down. It was lit. Okay, it was my Afrobeat playlist slash tutorial slash all that put together. So if you like Afrobeats music or you want to get into the African music, you know, you want to get down with the get down, I will leave the link down below so you can check that video out. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna do some nice styles of these. I like braids. Braids are cute. So these braids are crochets, of course, so you can't really do as much, but you can do enough with crochets. So style number one, because I have these right here, c'est un problème, mais c'est pas vraiment un grand problème. It's not as big as a problem, just because I didn't have enough crochets to cover the front. Normally when I wear my crochets, I like to hand braids the front just to give it a natural look, but I didn't have any braids with me, so I just decided to crochet the front. So yeah, with this look, I like to make sure that I grab hair from this side and this side, or else it's not gonna look as even as you want it to look.
This hairstyle for me is more of a formal hairstyle. I really like it. I think it's very plain and it's simple to do.
When I get to like right here, I'll either get like a bobby pin, or if you don't have a bobby pin, most of the time I'll just tuck it in here, which is never really secure, but with me, anything is possible. Okay, maybe I should look at a bobby pin. Sadly, I can't find a bobby pin, so we're gonna use this scrunchie right here, and we're just gonna cover that up. But normally when I can find a bobby pin, I like to do this with the style.
Some people like to make it seem really hard, but I think it's a lot more cuter when you wrap it with your hair and you pin it down with the bobby pin. So you could try that if you want. I like it. Look at me. Tu es vraiment jolie, hein, toi, hein, ma fille.
Now, style two, what I like to do is I'll get both of these hairstyle right, well, hair back here. I'll make sure everything is good, and you guys, this is cute. Okay, I'll get this braided like this. It's very important that you braid, okay? You've got to braid it. And if you have like these like gold decorating things that most people like to put on their braids, it will make the style even cuter. But I'm a sample person. I don't like to put a lot. And I'm gonna get the same side. Okay, you gotta make sure that when you get it, you get in the sides right here. I'm gonna braid that part up too. Now that you got these two right here, ooh, what is this? Okay, you got these two right here. You want to get this. Make sure the back is flat. Okay. Side like this. Get a scrunchie, okay? Because you need a scrunchie, whatever this thing is called. Then you could either choose to leave it like this. I sometimes like to leave it like this. I don't know why, but sometimes I get lazy and I just leave it like this. It depends on how well you did your crochets, but right now I feel like I didn't do my crochets right, so I'm like empty right here. I look like I'm struggling in the front, because usually I braid the front of my hair individual to make it look a little bit realistic. But if you have this type of situation, you think it's cute, but for me, I like my hairstyle to look perfect. But yeah, you could rock it like this. So with the same hairstyle, what I like to do, I'll take this top right here I'll put in like in braids. Get it? Because they're already in braids. You choose to leave it like this. Or, that's not cute for me. Or you can get this like this, tuck it in right here. And when I do this, I like to find something colorful because we extra. You can get something colorful. I like blue if you haven't noticed. And add that blue diagonal, like right here. And just, I don't know, for me it gives it that nice little weird look. If you're not weird like me, you can get the blue, you can put it in here, you know. All depends on your mood. But I sometimes like to make it weird. If you don't like this, simple. Bam! Look at that. We got the bam going. Yes! Look like a nice little chocolate ice cream cone. Next style. So you got all that in just one style, okay? All that in just one style, like what? Cute, whatever. You could keep this. This is a nice style, right? For this style is very typical, like everybody does a style. I like to use either a scarf, a t-shirt, whichever one you like. Most of the time I like to use scarves. So for my scarf, I'm gonna use my flag, okay? My Congolese flag, oh, eh? On va utiliser the flag de Congo, eh? And I'm going to get my hair, okay? Because the back, I didn't have enough braids, so the back, we're struggling in the back, okay? So don't laugh at me. Do not laugh.
So with this hairstyle, I like to do is I'll pin my hair back or flip my hair back. You see what I'm doing, you understand, tu comprends. And I'll get that hair wrap and I'll just, you know, flip my hair back up and I'll try to tie it. You gotta make sure that you have a longer scarf, but with me, I'm very dedicated, so I can do anything I put my mind into.
You gotta make sure the scarf is long enough. If you're gonna be struggling like I am right now. If I'm really determined and I wanna use that scarf, I use my scrunchie. I get my scrunchie, I tie that up real good. You gotta season that chicken real good so you can get that taste when you're eating it. Yeah, I take that scrunchie and like, I try to hide it. You try to hide it real good. Boy, I don't think you hit it wrong. Yeah, so it's kind of like this. And I'm out the door. But it's very important when I do this style that my edges are showing. The back is good. And normally when I do this type of style with braids, I feel the heaviness on my neck. These braids, I don't feel the heaviness at all. They're really light, which is... Bon, si pourquoi vous faisiez ça, hein? I like these braids, they're nice. Style. This is like my go-to style for everything. When I wear crochets, braids, everything. This is like my go-to style. So the next style. Take this out. So my next style, I like to leave it down, as you guys can tell. If I don't want to do much, I just leave it down, you know. This one is a typical one too, but I look good, so I like it. be a vrai Africain, hein? Si je veux être un vrai Africain, if I want to be a real African, this is what you call a kitambala, okay? In my culture, you see a lot of your grandparents wearing this and your aunties. Hey, auntie. But you see a lot of old people wearing this type, no disrespect. But now, today's generation, younger girls or younger folks, younger adults, younger females, you get what I'm trying to say, wear these type of stuff. So it's like a trend now. So I guess it's okay. But when I wear this, my mom be like, hey, wala kitamba, huh? Go do your hair, huh? It's not cute. You gotta go get your hair done. So when you wear this, you gotta look cute with it. You can't just no, we don't do that, okay? So with me, I'm going to get this baby right here. The best way to get your hair flat, in my opinion, is 1, 2, and it's flat. You can get this beautiful kitambala, huh? Fabric, real fabric. Not that stuff that you get at Valley City. This is that real fabric. So you can get this.
So with the kitambala, the hair wrap, what I like to do is I get it and I don't tie the back like you would tie a headband. What I like to do, I use a scrunchie. With the scrunchie, I tie it really tight to make it secure, but I like to tie it like I'm tying a bun just to give it that flower look, and it looks like this.
I usually do this like if I'm wearing something nice, or if I just want to be plain and simple. You can wear with the colorful fabric like this, a scarf, a black shirt. It depends on you. Me personally, I like the real ones.
So if you haven't noticed, one thing about me is I'm a freestyle person. I like to mess around my hair before I get a hairstyle. And I was trying to get this in a ponytail and I found out, oh, this is a cute style. So this is a style. This is next.
I mean, it's up to you if you want this to be perfect. Me personally, I don't really care if that's perfect or not. And the back is still tied up. If you want to untie that, that's on you, sis.
You can do a lot with the kitambala, aka hair wrap, but me personally, when I wear them, my mom always tell me, "Mwana mwasi, ba jeune balata kitambala te sala suki, va faire tes cheveux. Il faut tresser les cheveux. Kitambala is apona ba mama." So I like to change it up every once in a while, and I try not to make it look like an old person's hairstyle. So yeah, I switch it up. Okay, this is what you're gonna get if you wear a hair wrap with me. Okay, change it up, make it look nice. Don't look like a 40-year-old. You don't want your parents to make you look like a 40-year-old. Okay, yeah. So everything I'm gonna do is call it kitambala. We gonna keep doing this. We gonna keep doing this. So girl, you look cute. You look cute. Look like your age. So yeah.
Same thing. It's all about the kitambala. That's what we call it. We call it kitambala. It's all about the hair wrap. So you get this hair wrap, okay? Your hair can be in a high ponytail if you want. It depends on you. Me personally, I like in a ponytail when I do this hairstyle. So get a scrunchie. I'm not sure if this will work with it. You know what? If you can't fit your braids, use your hair.
So with this hairstyle, okay, you can use your hair, your braids to tie it. Normally that's what I do. I use my braids to tie everything. But if you're not so sure about what you're doing, then you can use a hair wrap or a hair tie, whatever you call it, n'importe quoi. And till I get that hair right there, I push it back, and it's not gonna make your head feel heavy at all, because I was not feeling heavy at all. Get a scrunchie, tie it pretty tight, and there you go.
And I like this look because when I can't put my hair, better way of saying, when I can't put my hair in a bun, especially when you have crochets, it's so hard for you to put in a bun, I do this look and I am good to go. I am out the door. I look like the woman on the street that wants to sell beignets. Elle dit, prendre mon frère, hein? Les beignets, viens acheter les beignets, ma fille, hein? So I hope you guys like these styles. My camera's about to die. I wish I could show you guys more styles, but this is it for right now. For right now, this is all you gonna get, okay? And it's free. Huh. It's free to watch this video. Huh. You spoiled. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you are new to my page, don't forget to like, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and press that notification to be notified every time I post a video. And also follow me on social media, the 5 things. Like, subscribe, notification, follow me on social media, leave a comment before you leave. And that's about it. That's all I'm asking you, oh. That's all I'm asking you to do before my camera dies. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And also, I will leave the link to how I did this crochet along with my Afro Beats playlist video crochet tutorial.